What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 11 and I'm finally going to be doing a natural hairstyle. I am going to be doing a twisted hairstyle. I promise you guys that that's the video that's going to be today, and yes, that's the video that's going to be today because I am tired of wearing my hat. As much as I really like my hat, I'm tired of wearing my hat. So I throw my hat in a drawer somewhere and that's it. The products that I'm using in my hair is my favorite, Blue Magic Indian Hemp, and I'm also using whipped shea butter from Rich Girl Curls Natural Hair Care Collection. That's it. That's the only two products that are in my hair. So yeah, before we get into the video, I wanted to take this time out to give a big shout out to the people that commented on my last video. Here we go. So the people that commented on my last video, and my last video I uploaded it this morning, and it was top 10 foods to grow natural hair fast, top 10 foods to stop hair loss. So if you didn't see that video, definitely go and check it out. You know, that way you could be eating right and growing your hair. So the people that commented on that video is K Alex. K Alex said it was very informative. Thank you, boo. Tosh Society, right? Yeah, your girl pronounced it right? Yeah, I hope so. She commented, yes, it is really easy to eat healthy. I am guilty. I love junk. I love junk too, girl. Like the other day, I eat a salad and then I went to the drive-thru in McDonald's and I got me apple pie and some fries, and I was like, wow. Shame on you, shame. After eating a salad, you went and got small fry? Like, what is wrong with me? It's okay, I understand it happens, but you just try not to do it as often. That's all. Me and these curls commented and she was like, flaxseed, no boo, that ain't for me. But pepper, she could eat all day. All day? Really? You gonna eat peppers all day? But I know she's messing around. SK language, she said great thumbnails, thank you. Your girl trying. And she said this video was helpful. She got to eat fruit. She needs to eat more fruits and vegetables. And then she commented peanut butter and pepper. Yes. You have to try it, okay? Don't knock it till you try it. And then Sanaya's World, she commented, these are some great tips. I need to look into that. Girl, look into it. And then Erling Kasmer, hey boo. She commented, slowly add kale and spinach back on the grocery list. Yes. And then Denver's Vids, I think it's a he commented, always with a great video. I see ya. Probably don't remember me. Yes, I remember you. I remember everybody who would comment on my videos because I don't have much people commenting on my videos, but that's okay though. That's okay. And hey, it's Georgia. Amazing video. Thank you. Let me thumbs this. Let me give this a heart. Thank you all for all the comments that you guys are leaving under my video. I truly appreciate it because your girl is uploading every day, and I know ain't everybody could keep up with videos every day, but you guys are consistent. And I appreciate you guys, and I will be on your channel. Trust me, I will be on your channel watching your videos too, okay? Thumbsing it up, watching, giving you them clicks, watching your ads. I can be on your videos too. Don't you worry, and I can leave a comment too. So thank you so much for watching. And now let's get into the video finally after all of this chalala. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be parting my hair. I think I wanted like jumbo twists, but I wanted a few flat twists to the front. So I'm just going to be, I think I want parted like right here.
Last November, I keep following up, but we ran out of time. Looking back, a love seems like a day.
Okay, so I finally found my brush. And then, so I'm going to part like right here. So these twists are going to be jumbo twists. So you want to do them as loosely as possible. I am my whip shea butter. I love how this makes my hair feel. It really makes my hair feel soft and nice. And then I'm going to take the brush from the bottom and work my way up to the top. Just making sure that my hair is detangled. If you're going left over right, so the way the twists are nice and soft, and they look like really thick and chunky. So you're going left over right. And then this is how they'll come out.
It was worth each pain. The love we had will last 100 centuries. You were special.
When you finish twisting, the hair will like fluff out. You see how it automatically becomes thicker? So then you just do some more.
I'm asking why did we fall from love? And I get high off the time. You do to me what I know I do to you. Let's get high on love. You do to me what I know I do to you. Let's get high.
Okay, so I finished twisting this section, and then I am going to be doing some flat twists on the top. Not a lot, just a few.
I get high off the time. Asking why did we fall from love? And I get high. I get
Okay, so I'm done this section. It's looking just how I want it to look, thick and nice. And then I'm going to be doing this side. So this side I'm going to do some flat twists also, and then I'm just going to do a few, not much, just a few jumbos. Because this side has less hair.
All the time we spent together changed.
Now for the back, I'm done the front. So far it's looking good. Now time for the back.
Regretting these feels I feel for you. Asking why did we fall from love? I get high off the time. They say what happens, happens for a reason. Then why am I stuck without you by my side? I get high just thinking about our memories. And even though it ended, it was worth each pain. The love we had will last 100 centuries. You were special to me, I keep you tucked inside. No regretting these feels I feel for you. I'm asking why did we fall from love? And I get high off the times do to me what I know I do to you. Let's get high on love. You do to me what I know I do to you. Let's get high on love. Asking why did we
Almost finished, so I'm at the top.
I get high off the time asking why did we fall? And I get high off the time.
And I am all done. This is the final look. It looks chunky and nice. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this style. If you do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.